there, everybody out there in YouTube land, and thank you for watching the Art of F.A. Checky faTV fan art here on YouTube. So what is faTV fan art all about? Well, it's about the things that I'm a fan of, and maybe you're a fan of too, but it's also about things that I think are really interesting, that come from my mind, that come from the world at large, and the other worlds that are in our minds, our imagination. I love Bob Ross. You can see I'm wearing the shirt right here, but I see far too many videos, and you've probably seen them too, where other YouTubers are trying to mimic Bob Ross or become like Bob Ross or do a Bob Ross thing, or, you know, to capitalize off of Bob Ross. And while I mention the guys because he inspired me to become an artist, that does not mean I want to be like him, because as he said, do what you want in your world. He just provided the basic tools to build the talent that you need to become an artist and to learn his particular style of painting. Well, here, you're going to learn something a little different. You're going to see something a little bit wacky. You're going to see something a little bit probably out there, outside the box. Okay, so if you're ready for this, check out my videos coming up at the end. You'll see the playlist, and I think you're really going to enjoy what you see. Thank you. Please watch. Please subscribe. Please like. I need your views. I need your subscriptions. Help me to get to the top numbers of subscribers needed to really get out there in front of people on YouTube, because I think I really have something to share with the world. Thank you, and please watch.